I'm Robert Noll. This is number 63 daily blues lesson of 365 shorts. This is an extension of number 62, dealing with the Trinity or Trilogy of Form 2. So we have the major scale that we're dealing with, and we're dealing with Form 2. Form 2 is movable. Just so you know, you need to be moving that Form 2 scale everywhere. And you need to be seeing the 2 octaves, knowing your E scale, your E, your second octave starts, and you move this everywhere, as well as the arpeggio. And you see my 2, 1, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2 is like a barring, so that you bring that second finger in and then lay it back in. It's movable. And you practice them forwards and backwards, and then you look at your chords that are within Form 2. Now, when I look at that G chord in my G major scale, and I see my intervals of my triad of the arpeggio, I see intervals. I see this chord as a root G, and I see the perfect fifth. I see a root, major third, perfect fifth, and then a root on the top. But I know I can add other chords. I can make a 6, a G6 with the dominant 7. I could make a major 7 chord by adding in the major 7. I could add the dominant 7. So all these major chords we want to deal, because we're dealing with the Trinity of major Form 2. I could add a 9, the major second up here. And I'm still keeping it in the major world with the dominant 7 or the major 7 or the suspended 4th, adding the 4th. So hammering the 3rd, some techniques we use in the blues. You need to see your intervals and know them quickly and see them in the scale chord arpeggio, because that's how we learn riffs. That's how we analyze, and we're able to analyze solos, and I'm able to teach you better, be talking in terms of intervals and what form we're in and what scale we're using, what arpeggio, what chords are we dealing with. And then it all comes together, and you're glad you learned this stuff. I mean, it's great. The sunshine comes in, right? Right, okay. Well, anyways, there's going to be a lot more on this in the future, but I just want you to get into your memorizing. You've got to memorize well and study it. Go look at some other people studying chord, scale, arpeggio, and how they all come together, okay? Because that's what we're learning here, and we need to learn these next videos, okay? Right. Trinity.